XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, I mentioned we can expect to get one more drop. That's why we point on this. Exactly, we get the correction, we get one more drop. That's why when the price was within this move, I mentioned we can expect to get the price to retest the previous low, either the price from here or we get one move up before the price drop. Okay, that's why I was mentioning if we wants to look for buy, let when the price was here, we have to wait for the correction for one more drop. Then if we get the reversal, we can look for buy. Okay, this is the reasons I was mentioning we have to get one more drop, and exactly because of this. All right, and now the price drop, there was no trade set up for sale unless anyone get the entry below this. Okay, now we want to see what's the next, because as what we were expected, the price drop. In this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, the price haven't tagged the previous low yet. That's mean if we put our entry here, it haven't broke yet. That's why I was keep mentioning we can expect the price to give us a consolidation here before we get the reversal. Now the thing is, still we can expect the price to break the previous low, which is if we put the exact value here, if we put our line here, will be almost 0.913. Okay, that's mean almost 91 cent. All right, that's why if we wants to look for trade based on lower time frame, we need to be careful about this, because right now we're looking at this flat. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. If we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart. All right, what we have based on forward chart, if we put our line here, exact value. All right, okay, and as we can see, as what we expected, the price drop. And now we have C1. That's the next move I'm looking. If we get any move within this range, because we mentioned if we get any buy, we can look for a trade. That means any buy setup within this range with the breakout of 1.3. This is what we're looking for, because based on forward chart, we can look for flat. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue and drop from here. It can. Okay, but right now we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is if we get any reversal for buy, we will be more interested. And if we move to 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart, we can see this move. That means this one. That means we can expect this one turn internal flat for one move up for bigger. If we're looking for this flat, that means still we can expect the price to drop and break the previous low, which is 0.1, 0.91, almost 91 cent. Okay, what I want to say is that first of all, if we get any buy setup from here, this is what we're looking for with the breakout to 1.3. That means we are more interested to look for buy. But if we want to look for buy, if the price reverse without breaking the previous low, even we maybe point on this one, we can expect this one turn to internal flat for one move up, and this one turn to more complex correction, as what we explained based on daily chart. Okay, now all depends on what we get here. If this one turn to a correction for one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, then we can expect the price to break the 91 cent, and the next reversal is which will be the start of the up move. But if the price reverse from here without breaking the previous low, we can expect the price to tag 91.3, and this one turn to a more complex correction. Then from there, the price drop, give us one more drop. That's why we need to be quite careful if we want to look for buy. It doesn't matter the price reverse from here or break the previous low. Any buy from here with the breakout of 1.3, we have to start to manage. But this is the case if we get the reversal, because right now we don't have any trade setup. Okay, still we can see that this down move was really sharp. We can expect to get the correction here for one more drop. Do we need to look for sell or not? Because if we want to look for sell, it depends on the traders. You are selling at the lowest price of this correction. That's why still we can expect the price, even the price break the previous low, even the price break 91 cent. But the only question is in terms of the risk and reward. That's why we will be more interested to look for buy. Okay, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade for buy. And if we move to 15 minute, what we see here, mostly do we see the correction for one more drop. That means still we can expect this one give us one more drop. But how we can look for sell? From what we have right now, we cannot get sell set up unless we put our entry below this, which is not a good idea. The only times we can look for sell if this one turn to a deeper correction, then we get the trade set up for sell. That's mean for me, still I'm not looking for sell. The best place to look for sell was within this correction. Even we explained in my last analysis. Right now, we will be more interested to look for buy, for reversal. But right now, we don't have any reversal. As I mentioned, still we can expect the price to break the previous low before we get the reversal, because we mentioned we can look for two different cases. Okay, and all it depends what we get here. But anyway, any reversal from now we can look for trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.